guys, so today I'm doing another product review. I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a couple ideas if you guys are looking for a new mascara. That's what I tend to do a lot. I go on YouTube videos and I just kind of look up what kind of mascara that is, very popular. But I have rounded out my 3 favorites. Well, actually I have 4 favorites, but I only have 3 right now. I have the Maybelline New York Big Eyes. It's where they have the top lashes and the bottom lashes. This has been my favorite almost since it came out. I love how it has a brush for the upper lashes, and then it has kind of like a brush for the small lashes. So I really enjoyed this mascara while I had product. The tube really isn't that big. It's like that big. It's like only in the middle, but it's okay because I really like this stuff, and I don't like mascaras that are really clumpy or are like super thick. I really don't like that, or make your lashes feel like really stiff, like especially like waterproof mascara I can't stand because it feels like there's like wax all over my eyelids. I mean, it gets everywhere on me. I just don't like it. So if you guys like kind of more flexible eyelashes where they just kind of accentuate them and not really clump up, I hate clumpy eyelashes, especially for myself. I can just feel it. It's like, it just feels weird. So yeah, this is like one of my favorites. And then this has been my favorite for about 2 years now. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes, and I mixed that word up on purpose. But this is one of my favorite mascaras. This is not the waterproof one. I don't like the waterproof one, as I was just saying. This one is awesome. It doesn't have like bristles. It's the flexible stuff, and it's flexible, and this really does make you look like you have like a million lashes. It's amazing, and it goes on very smooth, and it doesn't clump. You really look like you have like a lot of lashes, and that's what I like. And it has a flexible formula. It's not stiff, it's not clumpy, it's not really thick where you pull it out, it's just like boom. I don't like that. So this is definitely a favorite of mine. And then the newest one that I have discovered is the CoverGirl Flamed Out mascara. I bought this just because of the casing. Isn't it cute? Like, who doesn't want a red and pink mascara? There it is. Oh my gosh. You probably all know about it. But I bought this like a couple months ago, and I love it. Love it. This is a bit more on the thicker side, but I really do like it. This is what I'm wearing it today. It's not like, it just goes on really nice, and I really love it. So if you guys like any of these 3 mascaras, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions, but yeah, I will answer them, and please subscribe. It really means so much to us that you guys are subscribing, and yeah, so I will see you guys later. Bye!